Welcome to We Learn. Presentation on team building is brought to you by Virtual Learning Network, a part of PCTI Group. Today we'll discuss team building. Here is the content of team building. First of all, we get acquainted to team building. Then we'll read a story. Then we will study types of team and characteristics of team. Then we'll get acquainted with key actions. Then we will know what is team development life cycle. Then we'll get acquainted with key factors. Then we'll know what effective team is. Then we'll study analogy. Finally, we'll get the conclusion. Here is one of the interesting story. Nobody did it. That is a story about 4 people named everybody, somebody, anybody, and nobody. There was an important job to be done and everybody was asked to. Anybody couldn't have done it. Nobody did it. Somebody go angry about that because it was everybody's job. Everybody thought anybody could do it, but nobody realized that everybody wouldn't do it. Consequently, it wound up that nobody told anybody, so everybody blamed somebody. But still, nobody did it. What is team? A team is defined as a group of people who bring to the table a set of complementary and appropriate skills and who hold themselves mutually accountable for achieving a clear and identifiable set of goals. In a simple word, a team is a group of people working together towards a common goal. If you do work alone, which is known as me, then situation become like this. Some kind of confusion paths. If you become we, like we all together, then the situation becomes a little smoother, like this. But if we become us, then the situation is the best one, because the work will lead to the same direction which goes to success. That's what is called teamwork. The process of working with a team to clarify its tasks and how team members can work together to achieve it. A strategy that can help a group to develop into a real team is team building. There are 3 common types of team. First one is functional or departmental team, in which groups of people from the same work area or department who meet on a regular basis to analyze customer needs, solve problems, provide members with support, promote continuous improvement, and share information. Second one is cross-functional team, in which groups of people who are pulled together from across departments or job functions to deal with a specific product, issue, customer, problem, or to improve a particular process. Third is self-managing team, in which groups of people who gradually assume responsibility for self-direction in all aspects of work. Now, let's see the characteristics of team. First is objectives. A team has clear objectives that everyone within the team is committed to. Someone in charge. A team usually has someone who takes for the achievement of the task. The person who takes this responsibility may depend on what the task is at the time. Team should have different skills. A team is made up of different people with various skills and personalities who should complement each other and achieve synergy, which is the team performs better than the sum of the individual members. Balancing. The team balances the what, the task, with how, the process. Supportive culture. A team should have a supportive culture which allows people to speak freely, to have different opinions, but where this is valued rather than criticized. Learning. A team should learn from both its success and failures and adapt accordingly. It should always be striving to improve its performance. Work hard, play hard. A team should work hard or play hard by having challenging objectives but achieve them in a mutually supportive and fun way. And finally, succeeding. A team has a high chance of succeeding, at least working together to achieve, but a football team does not always win, but certainly strives to do so. Key actions in team building. Set and maintain. Setting and maintaining the team's objectives and standards. Determine individual roles, involving the team as the whole in achievement of objectives. Develop trust and communication, thus maintain the unity. Develop norms, for build up the team. The team develop life cycle. Forming means making contact and bonding, making trust and members dependent, establish base level expectations, and identify similarities. Storming means identify power and control issues, expressing differences of ideas, feelings, and options, reacting to leadership. Norming means decisions are made through negotiation and consensus building. Members agree the rules and process for the problem solving. Performing means members work collaboratively, members care about each other. Adjuring means achieving effective results. Here are the key factors to successful performance of team. There should be user of different type of strategy, like by one formula which knows as SCORE. In this you need to follow. So here we go. Strategy, clear roles and responsibility, be ready for open communication, talk to anyone you want to, and explain your problems. Rapid response, don't delay with feedback. Effective leadership. So, effective teams, what are they? Clear and achievable goals. Yes, they set clear and achievable goals. The team should share a sense of purpose and common goals. Next one is commitment to the goals. The team should be interested in its own process. Clearly defined roles and responsibilities. The team should identify its own resources and use them. Regard for the team members. The team should continually listen to and clarify what is being said. Successful deals with conflict. The team should do the differences of opinion which are encouraged and freely expressed. The team should identify conflict and focus on it until it's solved or managed. The team should follow roles which are balanced and shared to facilitate both accomplishment of tasks. Let's add the analogy. As each goose flaps its wings, it creates an uplift for the birds that follow. By flying in a V formation, the whole flock adds 71% greater flying range than if each bird flew alone. So, coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, and working together is success. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you and happy learning.